In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to start and manage a dropshipping business using Printify and eBay. This method is a fantastic way to get started with e-commerce without the need to hold any inventory. So sit back, relax, and let's dive into the process step by step. First things first, you'll need to set up your accounts. Begin by creating a Printify account. This is where your journey starts. Head over to printify.com and sign up. It's a fairly straightforward process and it will be your main hub for creating and managing your products. Once you've got that sorted, the next step is to create an eBay seller account. If you haven't already done this, go to ebay.com and register. It's important to note that a seller account is necessary to list and sell your products to millions of potential customers on eBay. Now that you have your accounts ready, it's time to design your products on Printify. You'll find a plethora of items to choose from, like t-shirts, mugs, and phone cases. Basically, anything you think might appeal to your audience. Use Printify's design tool to bring your ideas to life. You can upload your own artwork or spend some time creating something new and exciting using their tools. Once you're satisfied with your designs, make sure to preview how they'll look, then save your products. With your products designed, it's time to prepare your eBay listings. This part is crucial because Printify doesn't directly integrate with eBay, meaning you'll have to create listings on eBay manually. Use the product images and descriptions provided by Printify as a foundation. However, make sure to customize the titles and descriptions to ensure they stand out and grab attention. Clearly state the production and shipping times as well. Typically, this will be a few days, but transparency here can enhance customer satisfaction. Next, you'll list your products on eBay, log into your eBay seller account, and click on the Sell button to start a new listing. Enter the product details from what you designed on Printify. Setting your prices require a bit of thought. Be competitive, but also include a reasonable profit margin. Don't forget to account for shipping costs, as these are an important part of your pricing strategy. Once you've listed your products, it won't be long until you receive an order. When this happens, head over to your Printify account and place the order using the buyer's shipping address. The beauty of Printify is that they take care of the printing and shipping directly to your customer, allowing you to focus on managing your eBay listings and orders. Finally, providing excellent customer support is key to maintaining a good seller reputation. Be proactive in responding to any inquiries from your buyers. If there are any returns or issues, manage these through Printify's support system. Offering prompt and helpful service can distinguish you from other sellers. And there you have it. You're now equipped with all the steps you need to start your own dropshipping business using Printify and eBay. Thanks for watching and happy selling.